Dear students, welcome to the new session of Class 10 Physics, Chapter The Human Eye and the Colorful World. Dear students, today we are discussing about an experiment to study the scattering of light. The aim of the experiment. To understand how the scattering of light leads to the blue color of the sky and the red color of the sun at sunrise and sunset. Clear? Yes. And this diagram which shows the experimental arrangement. Clear? Here a point source of light, that is a source of white light, then lens L1, it's a convex lens or converging lens, and a glass tank is here, it's filled with a clear water, then a cardboard disc with a big hole at its center, then again another lens L2, again a convex lens, a white screen on the other side. Clear? Okay. So set up the apparatus as shown in this figure. Now you just switch on the source of light here. Now you can see the beam of light passes through the water in the glass tank and forms a circular patch on the screen. Clear? But in this case we cannot see the path of beam of light inside the water tank because there are no suspended particles in water because it's a clear water. Clear? Yes. Let us now dissolve about 200 grams of sodium thiosulfate in water of the glass tank. Another picture is there. So here you are just dissolving sodium thiosulfate Na2S2O3. Sodium thiosulfate in this glass tank which is filled with water. Okay. After that you just add 1 to 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid to the water. Concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Clear? So concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium thiosulfate. We will see the fine microscopic particles of sulfur begin to form in the water and a colloidal solution is obtained. What do you mean by colloidal solution? Colloidal solution means it's a mixture in which one substance is divided into microscopic particles and dispersed throughout the second substance. That is called a colloidal solution. Clear? Now a colloidal solution is obtained here. As the sulfur particles begin to form in water, we will see the blue color from the sides of the glass tank. How? As per the sulfur particles begin to form in water, we will see the blue light coming from the sides of the glass tank. Clear? And this is due to the scattering of short wavelength blue light. Clear? And it is formed by the presence of the sulfur particles. Clear? Yes. And this is how the sky looks blue. Okay? Yes. Then if we look at the screen on the other side, then you can see that a red patch is formed on the screen. How does this happen? This is because mainly the red color of the beam of light reaches the screen after passing through the colloidal solution. Clear? Okay, so this is the way how the sun looks red at sunrise and sunset. Clear? Yes. So it's a very important experiment. You should study how to draw the diagram and explain the things. Clear? Okay. Thank you.